Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I have put together this little bin of things that I'm trying to use up, although I've really been adding to it. So I have some things that I have made, some digitals, and I've got all of these here. I'm not sure that we'll use these today, but with all these aside, I have a few things from, oh gosh, I don't even know. Simple Stories, Cartabella, a few things I've punched out, some little pieces of scrap fabric, some tickets, brads, and then some other things. So I put a couple things aside and I thought, well, let's just do a little simple crafting. I have been working on and doing a bunch of toppers for some of my packages. I got on this kick. I was working with doing tickets, and I had all of these. Do I have any? These were from, oh gosh, I can't remember the company. The Planner Studio, the Planner something. I have black stuff all over my hands. Anywhoosies, not that it really matters, but these were the packaging that came with the stuff that I had gotten. And so I thought, well, maybe we'll just put a few of these together with some of these pieces that I have. And I thought maybe I would do this a little bit different. I have these, just this random page of, like, I looked in my adhesive drawer and I was like, why are these in here? So we're going to attempt to use them up. They're just these little Scotch things. Who knows how old they are? Hopefully they will work. We might want to stick a little and dab a glue on it. Here, we'll just use we'll just use this. I think it'll be okay. So how's everybody doing today? It's been a while since I've done any type of crafting video, which is really not making me very happy. I've been consumed with oops, I guess that sticks a little bit better than I thought. I've been consumed with the organization of the craft room that I bought, and it's coming together quite well. I'm at a point where I feel like I'm making a lot of progress. So that's good, right? So if you are interested in purchasing some of those things, come on over on Tuesday nights to the sales. Now mine started, we've been doing them on the Maker's Market. I'm sure this is a sticker, so I want to, I thought it was a sticker. It's a sticker. There we go. Where I'm selling most of it. Actually, all of it. I have a video that I have not posted yet that is of what I did keep, which is just it was one bog bag full of stuff. I think I'm just going to put that right on there, right behind it. There we go. How easy is that? So one of the things that I've been trying to do is to start layering things up. And a few of these, I think, afterwards, I'll take to my sewing machine and sew across them. Like this one, I think, could be sewn across. Mon chéri. That looks cute. Now these, I don't know if I'll just do as pieces of ephemera or if I will. It says this glue is, what glue is this? I don't even know. But it's a lot more wet. A lot more watery than our glitter glue. So I probably shouldn't be using it for these things, but you know, it does come out pretty easy. So yeah, I'm not in like a funk at all. I'm just kind of in a, where do I start kind of thing. Do you ever get like that? I'm like, oh, what should I start on now? See, it moves. I'm not used to that. All right. I'm going to come right about here. Oh, I should have poked that hole through there. We'll put something in it. So I just thought, well, let's just ease into this, Angela. Let's just not get too crazy. Let's just create a couple little easy peasy things to get us started. I do have a lot of things on my desk that are my ideas, but I just haven't done them yet. It's just that plain and simple. That's all there is to it. And sometimes, you know, it just gets that way, right? Here's a little piece of this. So this little acrylic thing that I just showed you, where did that come from? Well, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, yes, I do know. This was, when Landon moved back from college, this was what he had in his desk for all of his desk stuff. That's where it came from. And so he cleaned it all out and I commandeered it. And it works perfect. But I did this strategically because I'm trying my best to use more of my, like, ephemera pieces, all of the things that I've purchased. And I don't feel like I've done a very good job. That looks cute. At doing so. So this one, I thought, well, if I have it all here, my goal will be try to use up as much as possible. I think I'm just going to pop this on here just like this in a couple little spots, and then maybe I'll do it a little higher since it's plastic, and then maybe I can sew maybe a piece of rickrack or something across the bottom, maybe some lavender. My nose is itching so bad. Somebody must be talking about me. Yeah, so what do I know? Landon graduated. That was big news. I don't know that I've shared that. Well, by the time that you see this, I'm sure I will have shared that, but yeah, my baby boy is all done with school, and he's taking a month off from it because he was working while he was in college part-time at the place that will be his full-time job. Oh my gosh, I love that, just like that. But the agreement was when they offered him, they created a position for him for after graduation. And he said, well, I want to be able to take a month off in between, starting. So he is right now in the process of planning his agenda for a trip down the PCH, Pacific Coast Highway. And he has, right now, I think he said he had like 5 golf courses he was playing at. He's going to Catalina, which I love. And I'm like, oh, can't I just go with you? Don't you need we travel really well together. Don't you just need a co-pilot? He didn't seem too thrilled about that. So Mama's not going. Poor Mama. But that sounds like a great... And he's going by himself. Like, he's not taking buddies with him. He's, like, literally taking the trip by himself, which, I mean, don't tell him, but I'm kind of nervous about it. Like, all by yourself? He's like, hey, when Demi said something kind of similar, said the same thing, and he's like, Demi, I'm 22. I'm like, I said nothing, but I was thinking it. Just little things. I can put them on a... Oh, I was going to use these dang dots, and I didn't. So, that's his story. Demi graduated with her LPN, which is... They don't have a ceremony or anything like that, which I think is silly. Like, well, they should. But she then goes on to, she's going to, next up, nurse, you know, her to get her RN. So she got accepted into nursing school early. So the fact that she got her LPN already is awesome. And so she has a job. She's nannying for the same people she nannied for last year. But she also has a job at the hospital. Somebody must be knocking at the door. Someone's knocking at the door. And so she'll have 2 jobs this summer. So the kids are all busy. And so when I get back from Georgia, I will be going to stay at the camper with Dave. He is now in, where is he at? Dubuque. And he's living his best life. It's, he's doing a lot of kayaking and hiking, and I'm pretty excited. He's got some trips for us to do together, paddling trips, so that'll be fun. So here's another one, and this is just like I think the branding strip was on the top. So we're just going to cover this up. This is just a little piece of mixed media paper that I'm not sure if I did that intentionally or if it was like I wiped off my brush with it. But it was just watercolors one day when I was playing with watercolors. And I just cut them out just for the fun of it. I kind of like the rolled edges on it. I should have maybe inked it, but oh well. We're just having a little chat about what else is going on. Well, if you haven't caught, this will be a cute one too. So will I be able to do that now that I put this on there though? I guess we'll find out. I feel like this needs another, not just tickets. I need something like right there. So we're just going to staple this on here. And I'm going to find something. Something. Let's bring this thing over here. Sort of-ish. Oh, man. These little things got stuck. I could do one of these. They didn't come with the little, these little sets, but I found some that they kind of match. Let's see. Blue would be nice. Do I have a blue one? But I don't have any. Oh, here. These are the ones that these were in some kind of bag or something. Here's a blue one. But that's kind of too blue, isn't it? Well, maybe not. But I don't think I have oh, that's cute. I don't think I have a blue brad that will go in there. We'll take a peek. But I have a green one. I guess we don't have to match. I have a tiny, I have those. I could do that one, or I could do this glittery one. That might look that'll look cute because there's a little bit of blue in it, it looks like. Sure. I could have just done the boring one, but I needed something. So yeah, tell me in the comments what you're up to. I feel like, where's my I feel like I've been a little bit absent lately. Let's see, where do I want this? I missed a whole week of posting just because it was just crazy busy. And it was my own fault. I mean, I could have certainly... Oh, we could do blue. Let's do the blue one. Been more organized, but I wasn't, you know? Life happens. There, that's better. It's not perfect, but it looks a little bit better. All right, well, that's good. So, yes, I will be doing a lot of videos at some point. I need to do several more so that I'm all ahead for when I'm traveling, and then we should be good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces out of this, and I still have a whole lot more. A couple of things that were not in there before that I just added were all of these. These all came from that craft room clean out, and I thought that they were just kind of cool envelopes, so I thought I would use those maybe for another video. They're just random pieces that didn't get put away. I don't know what's in here. And then some embossed paper. I think these are cards, no? I guess it's just some embossed paper. So I thought, well, might as well use that up. Let's look in this really quick before we go. I'm just going to pull out. I won't pull it. Will I pull it out at all? Oh, there we go. What's in here? Oh, they're all stickers. Okay, well, I should probably use those in another video. I think I'm going to do a little grabby video maybe next. If you didn't watch my last craft table test, we experimented with the shrinky, well, no, they're not, they weren't called shrinky things, but shrink art. And that was a whole lot of fun. And then the most recent one, we made a journal out of, well, we made a purse journal. I'll just leave it at that, and you can go check it out. All right. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Until then, remember to take time to just be, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.